Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. We have here a unique and spacious two-story home. It consists of 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and it is also near to schools and shopping in Mandeville. The land area of this house is 11,123 square feet. Price negotiable. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.